Enterprise Manager may be used to transfer channel licenses to ExactVision systems from a channel pool, or to transfer available channel licenses between systems. This allows system administrators to reallocate their channels as needed, whether moving cameras between systems or adding new cameras outside business hours. Recall that a channel corresponds to a device. The devices are most often cameras, but could also be devices such as encoders or networked audio devices. Many devices use one channel, others may require more. Refer to the IP camera database to note the channels required for each device. Navigate to the Licenses page within Enterprise Manager. Here we see a channel pool at the top. If you have no available channels, you will need to add some before you can allot channels to your system from Enterprise Manager. Your Enterprise Manager system must have internet access to communicate with Exact for this process. Click the Add Channels link. Enter the number of desired channels you wish to add and click Generate. Your browser will download a generated PDF file. Submit this to your authorized ExactVision dealer. Once your dealer and our orders team process your submission, your Enterprise Manager channels pool will update. You are now empowered to allot channels from your pool to your servers at any time, or move channels from one system to another. Next, we'll take a deeper look at what is required for those actions. If you have no available channels on your systems or need to quickly add a camera to a system with no available channels, you might decide to allot a channel from your pool in Enterprise Manager. The channel licenses do not yet have an expiration date. This will be determined once you allot a channel to a server. For this reason, once you allot a channel to a server, it cannot be moved back to the pool again. You may still transfer it from one server to another, but you cannot bring a channel from a server to the pool. In the source drop down below, a list of connected systems is displaying the number of available channels on each. Also listed is the channel pool. We will select the channel pool. Note the warning message indicating it cannot be placed back into the pool. In the transfer field, we indicate how many channels will be pulled from our pool. Finally, we select a target system to apply the channel to. If you have only one move to make, you may press Apply to process your change. You may also select Add Another to process multiple moves at once. Clicking Apply opens a confirmation dialog to confirm our actions. The number of channels in our pool is reduced and the channel is applied to that server so we can add our camera. To transfer a channel from one server to another, we do not need to have anything available in our pool or contact the dealer. You will need to have a server with available channels. For example, we may have a server with 20 channels licensed, but only 19 of them are used. We could reallocate that one available channel to another system. There must be no licensing conflicts between the servers involved in the transfer, and the SSA must be up to date. If the systems do not meet these requirements, you will need to contact your dealer to resolve them before you can transfer channel licenses. Here, I have a server with several available licenses that I will select as my source. Enter the number of channels to remove from the source, which will be applied to the target system. Then select the target system from the drop-down field. Under each field, it indicates how many channels will be subtracted or added to the system. Clicking Apply opens a confirmation dialog to confirm our actions, and we see the applied expiration date. Servers will then update to reflect the change. Our target system now shows we have available channels, allowing us to add a camera to it.